Guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a metallic text on Canva. Simple and easy. We're keeping this quick and straightforward, so you can add that polished, metallic shine to your text without any extra tools or complicated effects. This is perfect if you're designing Shopify product images, homepage banners, logos, or promotional graphics and want something that looks premium without spending hours on design. Start by opening the project you're already working on. Take a moment to identify the text you want to transform. This could be a headline, a short phrase, or even a single word that you want to spotlight, like a product name, a sale badge, or a key benefit you want customers to notice immediately. Click directly on that text to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box, or handles, around it, and your text editing options appear across the top of the screen. It's important that the text object itself is active, because Canva applies color changes only to the selected element. If you click off the canvas, or select another element, the next step won't apply to the right thing, which is a common beginner mistake. Now look up at the top toolbar for the font color button. It usually looks like a letter with a colored underline. Click that. As soon as you do, a color panel opens on the left side of your screen. This panel shows your document colors, default colors, and most importantly for this effect, gradients. Gradients are what give metallic text that realistic shine and depth. In that panel, find the section labeled Default Gradients. Just beneath it, click See All. This expands the gradient options so you can view the full set instead of the limited preview. Inside this expanded view, you'll see a group of metallic aesthetics. Think gold, silver, rose gold, copper, and a few variations that mimic reflective, brushed, or polished finishes. These styles are especially useful if you're aiming for a luxury, high-end, or professional brand look. Choose the metallic color you like by clicking once on the swatch. The change applies instantly to your selected text, so you can see the result right away and decide if it fits your design. That's it. Your text now has a metallic look without using effects, shadows, or external tools. If the change doesn't show up, double-check that your text is still selected and try clicking the swatch again. If you change your mind, you can use Undo or simply click a different metallic swatch to switch the tone. This makes it easy to test multiple looks quickly before settling on the one that feels right for your brand. For best results, consider how your metallic text interacts with the rest of your design. Metallic colors usually look most convincing on thicker, bolder fonts, where the gradient has room to breathe and show its detail. High contrast helps too. A lighter metallic against a darker background, or a darker metallic against a light background, will make the effect pop and improve readability. Keep your layout clean so the metallic element can act as a focal point rather than competing with too many other design elements. And that's the whole process. Pick your text, open the font color, explore the gradients, and choose a metallic finish. It's fast, reversible, and an easy way to elevate titles, logos, and callouts in your design. Give it a try, experiment with a few shades, and pick the one that complements your project's overall vibe, especially if you're trying to make your Shopify store visuals look more professional and conversion-focused.